Welcome to SENTRON Explain, video number 2. Today talking about interfaces of the SENTRON ECPD, electronic circuit protection device. So we brought you again at our demo case, and we have here the SENTRON ECPD, and next to it our gateway, the Power Center 1000, which we can use to, let's say, have an interface from our device to the gateway and upstream to a mobile phone, for example. So first of all, let's power it up. So we begin with the LEDs on the left side. We have here two LEDs. The upper LED is the device LED. It indicates you the state of the device. At the moment it's green because everything is fine, so the device is okay. The device can also have indications like red blinking, yellow blinking, red, yellow blinking, and so on, to indicate, for example, with yellow blinking, the warnings. So if we have a warning set and we want to show this to the customer, and we have a red blinking state to show failures in case of trips, for example. If you want to have further informations, you can have a look in the operating instruction. There it shows you or indicates how it's blinking. Then we have the communicative LED below. It's now blinking green at the moment. If we have a connection to the power center and it's already established, it's green static, so everything from communication side is also okay. We have also some other blinking frequencies to connect it, to disconnect the device from the gateway. But mainly this is the communicative LED to show the communication. And in the lever on the upper position you have here an LED inside, which at the moment indicates red. Red is state on, which you know from already existing devices today. This device can also change the state to a standby state or standby mode, which is new on this device and no other device at the moment has it. Standby means that the mechanical connection is closed, so we are in the upper position, but the electronic contacts, the semiconductors, are open. So we have no current flowing on the load side, and this is indicated by a yellow LED. This LED can also blink red, for example, if we have set an automatic reclosing. So if the device is waiting for the automatic reclose, for example in 3, 10, whatever seconds, it blinks for this 3 or 10 seconds. Then we have the test button below, which you already know from AFDD, from the RCDs. So you can press it, the device doesn't self-test, does an RCD test, it trips. And this button is also known, or you can use it for acknowledging failures, for example, and also for resetting the communication connection. Then we have the terminals below. They are screw terminals because we want to use it for our bus bars, and we want to bring more devices on one bus bar, so we can use these terminals because they are on the same level as our compact devices with some bus bars. We want to show this to you in a certain slide next to the video now. And then we have the load terminal. The load terminals are tool-free terminals. You can use them push in for solid wires or end sleeve wires, or if you have fine stranded wires, you can open it and you pull the wire in, you close it again, that's it. And last is here the digital in and digital output terminal, which is shown here. You can use this for digital in connection to switch the electronic device, for example. So the electronic contact can be switched, and the digital output signal can be used, for example, to indicate an LED here, to show it to some other dashboard, for example. And there's one connection, as I already mentioned. You have the connection from the device itself to our gateway, the Power Center 1000 in this example. So this is also one interface. This goes via Zigbee. So that's it for video number 2. Thanks a lot for joining today and have a nice day.